What do you do when your favorite work pants, drawstring pants, that the string breaks? And you're in a hurry and you don't want to start sewing an elastic band in it to fix it. This is what I did. I took some safety pins, some people might call them diaper pins, and I put them all along the belt area. So I used 4 safety pins, diaper pins. And then I just put a belt through each one all the way around. So these are like, make-believe temporary belt loops. And I was able to do my work, and when I have time, I'll fix the pants with some stretchy material, elastic band, and put it on the inside. So that's just a quick fix, and they stayed up all day.